So guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing green tea smoothies with yogurt and avocado and spinach. Just in case you don't know, you can get a whole lot of nutrients and antioxidants from whether you drink green tea, whether you consume green tea or you apply green tea topically. Green tea has a whole lot of antioxidants which will help to decrease and diminish wrinkle formation, and also will help to fight and protect your skin against UVA and UV rays, and might also help to protect you from cancer. So if you're interested in knowing how to make this amazing juice here, amazing smoothies, keep watching. Valino, guys, welcome so much. If you ever stumbling into this channel for the first time, or even if you've been watching my video without subscribing, please do me a favor and click on that red button to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notifications. Today I am bringing you guys one of the most amazing smoothies that is loaded with antioxidant, which will help to give you a very new cells and skin, and also will suppress your appetite. So no other than matcha green tea smoothies with banana and spinach. So let's dive down into making these amazing smoothies. You can have it for breakfast or for lunch or for dinner. It's entirely up to you. So the first thing we need is green tea. This is raw green tea, the leaves of the green tea. If you don't have the raw green tea, use your regular tea bag, cut it open and use what is inside. So after blending the leaves of the green tea, this is really why it's called matcha. Matcha is the powder of the green tea. So in here I have about 1 tablespoon of green tea powder. The next thing you want to add is spinach. I have frozen spinach here. If you have fresh spinach, go ahead and use that. And I know I have a lot of Nigerian viewers. If you don't have access to spinach, just use lettuce. And if you are in this part of the world and you don't like spinach, you can also use kale. So I have some frozen spinach here, about half a cup of frozen spinach. And then I'm going to be using half banana. Banana has a whole lot of potassium. If you have high blood pressure, banana is very good for you. If you're looking into losing weight, just put a little bit of banana. In this case, I am only using half banana. The next thing we need here is avocado. Avocado is very awesome. It is loaded with monosaturated fat, which helps to decrease your cholesterol. And don't be afraid of eating avocado. Really, what really makes you fat is not the fat. It's the carbohydrates that turns into sugar that really makes you fat. But if you eat the good fat, the monosaturated fat, they will help to boost up your cardio mechanism and help to stabilize or lower your cholesterol. But please do not overeat that. Anything you overeat is not good for you. So I am using small avocado, right? Gonna take out the pit of the avocado, so we're only using the meat of the avocado. So the next thing you want to add here is yogurt. Yogurt is super. It has an extra excellent probiotics for your gut. It's going to help move your bowel and help the bacteria in your bowels to work better. So use any kind of yogurt. I will put 2 tablespoons in here. The next thing you want to add is some ice, because without ice the smoothies is not complete. Add some ice. The next thing I like to add is stevia. Stevia is natural sugar made from sugar cane or other sweet fruits and vegetables. So I want to add 1 stevia just to give it extra excellent taste, because a lot of people cannot stand the taste if the taste is very bland. So, and if you don't have access to stevia, use just a little bit of honey, but make sure your honey is 100% honey, because some honey out there is just sugar that they boil and then it turns into brown. So make sure you're using the right honey in this way, just to make sure that you're not loading yourself up with extra sugar. So let us just blend these smoothies together. At this time, your smoothies is ready. So the smoothies is ready. You can transfer this into your jar and you need to drink it right away. This is not to be drinking. This is not supposed to be saved for later. You make it and you drink it right away. Tastes so yummy. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, one more time, remember to subscribe and share the video. Thank you so much. Bye.